All right, what's going on, Tycoon? Super excited for today's video. We're going to be looking at Sofi, okay? Sofi is entering my buy zone, all right? So the buy zone or demand zone basically for Sofi is going to be at from $15 to $13, all right? Um, Now we do have a little bit of a possible reversal candlestick right here on the weekly chart. So we could see things rebound and try to reverse, okay? Like for instance here where, we had a indecision, possible reversal candlestick right here, and then we started the downtrend. We could reverse and start the uptrend, but be prepared, okay? Don't fight the trend, and the trend is currently down. Um, and we will have to see if the market overall remains as that. But SoFi is going to be, I think, part of a sector rotation that will help see SoFi get a nice push. Okay, so if you guys can buy in between $13 and $15, I do like that for a long-term position. Okay, now you could, get lucky and swing trade that within a week and be able to take some profit. Okay. Or, you may have to wait a month, a few months, a year, even possibly, um, to see this thing go green. But I think that this is a pretty good demand zone, honestly. And anytime we have, approached it, basically, SoFi has recovered well. Okay. So one time in the demand zone, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 times. Okay, we've come down here into the demand zone or touched it and recovered. All right, so look for that. So, we're currently right at 15 bucks. All right, it can drop down to 13. So don't be surprised by that. If you buy in, don't start panicking. Okay. But if we look here on the RSI, this is the bottom of the RSI. Okay. And now meanwhile, it's still kind of made higher lows. Okay. So like here's our low, then here's our next higher low. Okay. Then here's our next higher low, and then here's our next higher low. Right. But the RSI has just continued to go down basically. All right. So keep that in mind. However, the RSI is sitting right in the middle, right around 42, just below 50. So 50 is smack dab middle on the RSI. So, um, what that's basically telling you is that the relative strength is, kind of weak right now. But it's trying to find some support. Okay. So, this thing could fall some more, like I said, down to 13, 14. All right. Before recovering. But I do like it for some swing trades, or if you're a long-term investor on SoFi, definitely go ahead and grab some SoFi right here. Okay. Also, there's a link in the description below. Okay, because I use SoFi. You can get $25 to invest in either stocks or crypto of your choice. So all you have to do is basically use my link in the description, and you'll get 25 bucks free crypto or stock, and then I'll get 25 bucks free crypto or stock. All right. And you can buy Bitcoin on there, Ethereum, things like that. Okay. So it's really nice. Anyways, just wanted to plug that in real quick. So with that being said, the buy zone now, our price targets. Okay, I have several price targets drawn up here. I have two breakout levels. If for us to basically try to create all-time highs again or go up to these resistance levels. The breakout levels are going to be at 17 and then 1882. So right around 1819. Okay, close to 19. So if we do recover from 15, look to see some resistance at 17. Okay, and if we break past that 17, we'll be in breakout territory, and then our next breakout level is going to be 1882, and above there we can hit our bullish price targets of 20.60, 22.51, and 24.64. Okay, so here's some advice on my investment strategy. Okay, let's say you were going to invest $1,000 right now. You wanted to invest $1,000 in SoFi. Maybe put 200-300 in right now, or just 150, and wait a little bit to see if it dips lower. All right. And then you can purchase some more at a lower price. Or, if you see it, breaking past the breakout level, you may be able to add a position here. All right. And, try to ride the wave up, because now it's more in your favor. Right now we found our support in the demand zone, and we're past the first breakout level. So maybe you can add to a winning position and see if it goes up. Okay. Or what you can do is you can buy in here, right, and it comes back down, let's say to 14. Okay, now you buy another $200-300 worth, right? And then it comes down to 13, right? Well, then what you can do is you can add another 100 here, right? Because you don't want to go all in close to your trailing stop or close to your stop loss, right? Because our stop loss for SoFi would be essentially let me draw one up for you guys, okay? Is going to be right around here. Okay. So if you buy in at 13, okay, or just anywhere in this demand zone, so let's say you buy at the top of the demand zone 15, your stop loss could be, once we're below 13, just a little bit, so you can do like 1284 or something like that, right? So if we get to 1284, then you'll sell out and reposition, take your loss, right? Because then this thing could further drop further, and then our next support level below all of that is going to be 1181. So, 15, 13, and then 1181. Those are going to be our bottoms on SoFi. Scoop them up while you can. And then once we hit these bullish price targets, okay, please take some profit. All right. You don't have to sell your whole position. But if you bought $1,000, or if let's say you spent you bought 100 shares at $15, right? It came back down. You didn't have any money to add at 13, but it found demand in here, it recovered, okay, and we got past these breakout levels. Sell 20 of your shares, okay, at $20 a piece. All right, take some of that profit, all right, just in case things pull back. All right, and if things do pull back, you can see if they find support. And if they find support and go past our bullish price targets, and then we can head back up to the next one, and boom, you can sell another 20 shares, right, at $22 now. And then, if we do get past 22, our next bullish price target is going to be 24.64. And then boom, you can sell another 20 shares there at 24.64, right? So you haven't sold your whole position, right? You haven't sold all 100 shares, right? But along the way, you've taken profit as it's gone higher and higher. So now you have extra cash sitting for next time Sofi dips. All right. So boom, let's say we come up to 24.64, like we've done 2 times already when we had a double top here. All right. And we came back down. So boom, let's say we do that again, and then another 3 months goes by and SoFi is back in the demand zone. Well, now you can rinse and repeat the process. You can add some more shares between 15 and 13, right, to your long-term position. And then along the way up, okay, you sell them and take profit, and then it comes back down again. And okay, so that's the whole name of the game, guys. It's buy low, sell high. All right. So if you want an in-depth video covering all these stocks that I think are going to be seeing a boost from this financial sector, money rotation, then go ahead and click this video to the right.